Hello, and what the heck is up, my Atlanteans? So, for today's video, I will be opening up Jade Hunter from the Rainbow High winter break line. I know that like the winter break line has been out for a while and I'm kind of late on the train. It's just that for like the entirety of this autumn season, I wasn't allowed to buy any dolls, unfortunately, because it was my birthday and then right after it was like Christmas. People were buying me presents, they weren't letting me buy stuff. So one of the things on my list was Jade Hunter, the winter break version. I'm so excited to get into this with you guys. Like, I feel like I'm like such a whore for winter themed dolls. The layering, like the like multiple outfits. We've all seen the Rainbow High Pacific Coast dolls. They're beautiful and I'm really excited to get them, but they have one outfit and like a cover up. I love winter because they have so many clothes. All right, so let's get right into this, I guess. This is Jade Hunter in her winter break outfit. I gotta say, as I said in my Christmas haul, the second outfit is my favorite. However, this one gets just as much love because like, just look at the amount of detail. We won't get too close into that, not yet. We can see her little snowboard that I'm really excited to look at. Her entire second outfit, and of course, Jade is right in the middle, and we've got 4 girls in the group sitting at the bottom. What I love about the plastic part of this packaging is not the plastic itself. I love how it's like frosted on the edges because it's like winter break, right? So it's like it's winter, it's like it's cold. Here at the top, we've got the typical Jade Hunter sign, series 1, and you can see her little color strip there. Yeah, and then basically everything else is Rainbow High standard. Everything is in that rainbow iridescent kind of cardboard. On the back here, you've got a full illustration of all of the girls that are in the group. Crazy how Bella is still not part of the group. Also, Amaya. Amaya is like basically like part of the group as well. I don't know why she's not there. Also, if y'all have seen the Rainbow High show, I would love to see Amaya and River Kendall get like a 2-pack. Their winter outfits, like I think that looks so cute because their winter outfits are really cool. So yeah, that's basically the artwork. That's basically the box. At the top, we've got the little window going down on Jade. I love that because like if you're like trying to display it, Jade will forever be illuminated. And then at the bottom, we've got the usual legal stuff. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna take Jade out of the box real quick, and then we're gonna take a closer look at her and all of the things that she comes with, okay? So here is Jade straight out of the box. First, I just wanted to talk about the things that she came with. So obviously she is a Rainbow High doll. Most Rainbow High dolls come with the stand and base, except for the cheer line. Winter break dolls are getting a stand as well. Jade's is going to be green and sparkly, and it's just the standard Rainbow High stand and base. In the first little bag that we've got a little thingy of instructions that's telling us how to put the shoes onto the little snowboard that we're going to take a look at later. And we've got the standard Rainbow High hand hanger and top hanger. It's going to be in a green color to match beautiful Jade. And the last really exciting accessory that she comes with is we've got the amazing Rainbow High snowboard that she comes with. So all of the winter break dolls, they're all coming with different types of like snowboards or skis. It comes with a whole ass snowboard, and this is really freaking amazing. So you can see that the little shoe part, it's actually green. Oh, and like, oh my god, there's like all of that like little sculpted details. The fuck? Oh my god, and it even says a rainbow in the back. Okay, that's awesome. On the top, it says RH. It looks like it's like graffitied on, and there's like the little like stitch print type of thing, but also looks like it was hastily sprayed on as well. But I think that like really matches Jade's like aesthetic. And then on the back, when I saw this, I literally gagged. It has the exact same RH like stitching type of sprayed on print, but then like in big bold letters it says rainbow, also in green. It also comes with a green sparkly hairbrush. And of course she does come with the second outfit. But before that, let's talk about the beautiful Jade. So here is Jade right out of the box. Isn't she just so stinking cute? I cannot believe the extent that Rainbow High or MGA went off. Look at her. This is insane. So first of all, let's talk about her top to bottom. So she's wearing this adorable little knitted hat, just like her other beanie. It was made out of actual cloth material. And it has actual embroidery like details, and it's green and it says sparkle. We got a little black pom-pom, and like all of the stripes that are around the rim of it is green and black, which I think suits her so well. Her beautiful makeup, of course, is important. She is our makeup artist. She's got the usual rainbow high eyeliner. Her eyebrows are arched, which I don't think I've seen. I don't know, but it is beautiful. She's so pretty. She's got glitter eyeshadow. Her entire skin is glittery. She doesn't have much colored eyeshadow on top, but you can see it's like the glitter. On her bottom lash line, we've got like this green eyeshadow kind of thing, and then she printed on white stars going around her eye as well. She's got beautiful green to blue eyeballs. She's got like a really nude lip, which I think is really pretty for Jade. Her hair, oh my god, I forgot how crazy the gel is for Rainbow High. I gotta say, it's not as bad as original couple. It's just like really like this whole piece is like solid. It's just the front parts though, and then like the back is like fine, but it's crazy how thick this gel is. Looking at her outfit, she's wearing this North Face inspired outfit here, jacket and like no pants, no boot type of situation. It's incredibly detailed, like all the way around here. There's pockets on the sides here that are actually usable, like you can actually put stuff in there. There's little strings on the side to actually adjust the jacket, and you can actually adjust it. That's so cool. Yeah, and there's like so many pockets and they're all functional. She's got this amazing zipper detail, and you can see like which side is supposed to be covered up. It's so nice. On the side here, you can see like all of the little logos and stuff. There's even some logos. Oh my god, that's so cool. I wonder what that says in Japanese or in katakana. Does that actually say Rainbow High? This is incredible. It's really nice for what it is. On the side, there's even more logos. Like it feels like an actual winter jacket material. This is so cool. Ooh, let me take this off and let's delve deeper into this outfit she's wearing. Oh my god, yes! Jade is wearing a striped, long sleeve, like mock neck turtleneck shirt, and it has rainbow and green stripes all over it. This is so cool, and of course the design goes all the way in the back. I think this is a separate piece from the snow pants. Speaking of the snow pants, it is in the matching green color as the original jacket. Functional pockets. All of these are like separate strips of fabric. We've got like not actual, but like we've got metal details all over, and we've even got like zipper details at the bottom here. And speaking of the bottom, here are her giant snow boots. They're so cute. They're just primarily black, and we've got like green shoelaces going all over it. And then the bottom is like a jelly green type of sole. These boots are gigantic. Apparently, you're supposed to use these shoes with this. So that's what we're gonna do right now. What you need to do is undo the little, going to need to undo these little rubber bits so we can like shove her foot in there. Okay, yes, we did it. And then we're going to put her feet in there, like kind of on a hinge anyway, so this should work. They do fit in. You're supposed to latch these back onto the sides here. It works. And I always forgot to mention, Rainbow High, they have little manicures, and of course Jade's is green. For articulation, she does have the standard Rainbow High articulation. However, this is the first Jade that I have, or Series 1 doll that I have, that has neck articulation. So yeah, she's got the full range of motion in the head. Her arm goes up, back, out and back in. Her elbow, we've got a 90-degree elbow, and her hand goes every which way. They are removable, of course, so it would make sense. Her legs go up and down. It does go out and in. It just is kind of limited with this snow pants. And her knee, impressively, goes just about over 90 degrees as well. And Rainbow High girls don't actually have ankle articulation, so yeah. she's not gonna have that. Okay, so that is Jade. I'm gonna put her in her second outfit, which I'm so excited for, and we're gonna take a detailed look at that as well. Okay, be right back. And this is what Jade looks like when she's in her second outfit. I actually don't like this outfit as much. I mean, I still think she's super cute, and I'm still going to display her in this outfit because that skirt. But I don't know, I feel like she deserves like socks or something. Like she's missing something down here. I digress. She's absolutely gorgeous. She's so cute. I kept the little hat on her. I don't think I'm taking that off. So she's wearing this pleather jacket, and we got like little green strappies with like faux silver oh, they're like snakeskin too. And then the inside we've got like faux wool, and then you can see the embroidered rainbow on the collar. I'm keeping that pop because I think that's really cool. We've got little green strips on her cuffs as well. She's wearing a white t-shirt. It's like a cropped t-shirt. Oh, by the way, the little striped shirt is also cropped, and it says rainbow like kind of graffitied on, and then there's like a little happy face ghost thing that's also graffitied on. She's wearing this really cute green plaid skirt with little slits on the side, and it's like the entire rim is, or the entire front of the rim, not all the way in the back. It's all made out of like a patent leather, and the front of it has like little studs that are glued on. None of them are coming off though. They seem to be really stuck on there. And for her shoes, all of the Rainbow High Winter Break dolls, all of their second shoes are going to be little skate shoes, and Jade's are these like chunky Doc Martin looking skates, and you can see that there's like 3 skates at the bottom there. We've got silver laces, and what's really cool is on the back here you can see that there's that like molded on detail. On top of the boot we've got like a green strip that has the R like kind of jumbled on there. I love this outfit, like in general. I just think that like Jade is really rocking it. I mean, I think I'm probably gonna put on like someone's socks here, but just like this outfit is so cute. And for the winter, this is like such a like a bratty move, you know, because it's like no one would actually wear this in like that cold of winter, right? But still, it's a mood. And that is Rainbow High Winter Breaks Jade Hunter. Couple other things to note, because she is like they piled on the layers with her, there is going to be a little bit of staining on like her legs here, for instance. There's some on her arms as well, so look out for that if that's something that bothers you. But in general, she's a really great quality doll. She has a crazy amount of accessories and clothing pieces that you can mix and match. I just think she's so much fun. Like this Rainbow High Winter Break line is so much fun. I'm really hoping we get another one where we can like get like Bella, Amaya, the series 2 girls. I would love to see that. In Canada, she is about like $50 or $60, I think. They are pretty costly here. Is she worth the pretty penny? I think that if you have a favorite in the line, get her first and then you can decide. Because for me, I think all dolls are worth whatever they're priced, because I understand that there's like inflation, and then there's like fees, and then there's like they have to pay for a lot of things in between. And the doll itself, like look at her, these are all different like pieces, and she comes with so much stuff, and they're all really high quality pieces. So I totally understand like where that price point is coming from. Maybe start with the girl that's your favorite and then go on from there. I think that even just one is like so worth it. Like look at her. Jade isn't even my favorite, but like she's so cute. All right, y'all. So that is everything for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want. Hit me up on Instagram at atlantix.jpg. Hit me up on TikTok at atlantix.mov. And I'll see y'all on the flip side. Bye-bye.